Good morning everyone. My name is Madhur Image, Assistant Professor from GMD College, Sinnar, Nashik. Today I will teach about inorganic chemistry from FYBSc semester 2nd. Chapter number is first. The name is atomic structure. This is the lecture first. Okay. The first topic is origin of quantum mechanics. The classical mechanics, the behavior of large microscopic objects like Earth, Moon, planet, crickets, ball, etc. The microscopic objects in nature, such as the atom, subatomic particles like proton, electron, photons, etc., behave very differently than microscopic objects. Okay, and do not obey the different law of the theory of relativity. Hence, the quantum mechanics is an attempt to describe the behavior of matter and energy at this subatomic scale. In the last 19th century, scientists were produced to explain the Newton's law and Maxwell's electromagnetic wave theory, which explain most of the phenomena in which they were interested. The experiments were performed at lower temperature to the both shorter and longer wavelength of radiation. But problem arises since the classical mechanics do not explain the phenomena on the atomic and molecular scale. This problem where the low temperature heat capacity of solids, the distribution of radiation from black body, the photoelectric effect, and the line spectra of atoms. By 1925, a new mechanics known, which is called as quantum mechanics. Okay, the quantum mechanics was invented, which successfully explained all these phenomena. The first discuss about point why the study of quantum mechanics in every chemistry. Okay, the quantum mechanics is the branch of science that deals with the atomic molecular properties and behavior of matter on the microscopic scale. The quantum mechanics predict that the atom molecules can only have discrete energies. Quantum mechanics has tremendous application in the chemistry. Okay, the first The first in physical chemistry, chemists use as quantum mechanics to interpret molecular spectra by allowing the experimental determination of the molecular properties like bond length, bond angle and dipole moment, etc. The second use in physical chemistry to calculate the properties of transition state in the chemical reaction used in the estimation of rate constant. Okay. This is a used in physical chemistry. Next is organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, chemists use the quantum mechanics to estimate the relative stabilities of the molecules, to investigate the mechanism of chemical reaction, and third is to predict the aromaticity of the compound. These all are depends on the quantum mechanics. Okay. The next chemistry is inorganic chemistry. The chemists using the quantum mechanics to predict and explain the property of the transition metals complex and metal ions by using the ligand field theory to study the property of structure symmetry of the inorganic compound. Besides, there are the number of other reasons to study the quantum revolution. Okay. So beside, there are the number of other reasons to study of the quantum revolution or quantum mechanics. Okay. The first is interplane electronics. The electronic revolution is a quantum revolution. Second is it will give as a deeper insight into the granularity of the physical structure of the world. Third is it has allowed to us to the develop and understand investigative and diagnostic tools such as the electron microscope, PET and MRI scan. Okay, it will like form to the basis for the next phase for information revolution by the quantum computing. It has the application in the thermodynamics. That means quantum mechanics itself come from the insights of the statistical mechanics. Next is Its application allow us to develop the photovoltaic cell. It is the physics behind the science of nuclear energy of utilization. The quantum mechanical calculation of the chemical property of biological important molecules are sufficiently accurate that the molecule can be designated for the specific application before they are tested at the laboratory basis. Okay. Therefore, for graduate student, it is necessary to learn the fundamental of quantum mechanics. The next point is quantum mechanics arise out of the interplay of experiment and theory. The classical mechanics propose the number of theory. Okay, a main feature to accept propose the theory by classical mechanics, whether they useful in science or not is confirmed by the comparing the new experimental observation with accepted theory. If experimental observation and proposed theory agree, we gain in the confidence in the model proposed on the classical theory. Okay. If not, the proposed model need to be modified. The classical mechanics was able to explain phenomena related to the microscopic particles. However, it fails when they applied to the microscopic particles. For example, according to the classical mechanics, in the energy emitted or absorbed continuously, Planck's theory and experimental evidence conclude that the energy is emitted or absorbed not continuously but discontinuously in the form of blankets of the energy called as quanta. Okay. The similarly, the similarly, Similarly, at the atomic level, light waves have particles-like properties. Neither the quantization of the energy nor the wave particles duality of microscopic particles were known concepts until a satisfactory explanation comes from the experimental evidence of the black body radiation. Photoelectrical effect diffraction by the double slit and atomic spectra. The next few sections we we also discuss the phenomenon and how quantum mechanics across out of the interplay of experimental and theory. Okay. In next lecture, I will, I will discuss about black body radiation. Okay. Thank you everyone.